Hey guys, so today I'm going to go through my ginormous bag of products that I got from the Sephora VIB sale. So let's get into it. So the first thing I got was this Tatcha Bento Box. This comes with a full-size water cream, the Deep Cleanser, and a mini of the Silk Canvas Primer. I really wanted to try this out and the water cream, and this bundle was just too good to pass up. The water cream by itself retails for $68 and this is only $79. So with the 20% off it was even more. So I feel like this is a really good deal and I'm really glad I got this. I'm really excited to try these out. And next thing I got were these two Glow Recipe products. I got the minis of the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the mini Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. These smell exactly like Watermelon Jolly Ranchers and I just want that on my face. So I had to get them. Okay, and next I have the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This is very controversial at the moment because of their crap shade range, but I still wanted to try it out and give it a shot and see if it works out for me. So I think I'll try this out in a video and see how I like it. Next I got the Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Foundation. Got this in Ivory because I'm pale. And then I also got the Flex Concealer. I've heard really good things about both of these and I really want to try them out. So I'll be testing these pretty soon. Next I got the Hourglass Illusion Hyaluronic Skin Tint. I've heard a lot of good things about this and I need to try it. So it's like more of a light coverage BB cream kind of situation and it's very moisturizing, so I feel like that's for me. Next I got the Josie Maran Pure Argan Milk. So this is like a nice hydrating treatment and I have dry skin, so I feel like this is just a really good product to use. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm really excited to try it. And then I got the Cover FX Dewy Setting Spray. I have the Illuminating Setting Spray and that one just leaves glitter all over your face. So I really wanted to try the dewy one and hope it doesn't have glitter in it. Next I got the Origins Original Skin Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer with Willowherb. So this is the primer that Tati's always raving about and it looks freaking cool. I felt it on my hand at Sephora and it feels really nice. It's more of like a spray can, so it like sprays out like whipped cream and it just looks really cool, so I want to try it. Next I got the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions mini palette, which looks like this. So I really like this bright yellow. I'm hoping these colors work out. I think I'll swatch a few while I'm here. Take the yellow, this nice duochrome shade, and this warm one, and this pink one. Okay, so here is the yellow. Here is the duochrome. Oh my goodness, I love that shade. Okay. Here is this warm matte, and here is this bright pink matte. I feel like those are swatching really nicely. Again, you have to try them on the eyes to see how they really work, but that seems promising so far. I did end up getting one of the YSL matte stains. I don't know how to say that. Tatouage Couture. I don't know. But I got this in the shade 7, which is New Interdit. I don't know what that means. So just like a nice basic nude shade, of course. And here's the swatch. I swatched like all the testers on my hand and I feel like this was the best shade. So I got this one. I did try out the number 1 shade, the red one, in the Sephora some kind of bag that I got, and I really like it, so I just had to get another one of these because it's amazing. Next I got the Natasha Denona mini Lila palette, and they are not kidding when they say mini. This is mini, so small. I did not think it would be this tiny, but it smells like eyeshadow. But it looks really pretty, and I'll just swatch it because I feel like it. So here is the matte purple. Does not swatch well. Here is the metallic blue purple. Ooh, that's pretty. Here is the darker mauve shade. Ooh, that one swatches nice. Here is the pale gold. That one's really pretty as well. And then here is that tan color. I like that one swatches too. Really good. So that bright purple doesn't really swatch very well, but swatches only tell part of the story. But this does look really pretty, so I'm really excited to use it. It has 3 mattes in 1 duochrome and 1 metallic shade. I'm really excited for that. Next we have the Marc Jacobs Tan-Tastic Omega Bronzer. So this is like that jumbo bronzer that everybody on YouTube has, so I had to have it too. Sue me. It smells like coconuts. Ah, so nice. So it has like a giant mirror under here, but I don't want to blind you. And then here's the bronzer. This is like the bronzer that you'll never run out of, so I feel like it's really worth the investment. Next, I got the Olaplex number 4 and number 5. These are the shampoo and conditioner. This is the Bond Maintenance line. This is their new products they just came out with. And it's supposed to repair, strengthen, and hydrate all hair types. So that sounds like what I really need. And I'm excited to try these. And then to go along with that, I also got the Olaplex number 3. And this isn't like a shampoo or conditioner. It's more of a treatment. So it's supposed to repair and strengthen, and it's a hair perfector. It's like a little itty bitty bottle compared to the shampoo and conditioner. It's like itty bitty. And so you're supposed to use this. It's mostly for like color treated hair, just to repair it. And my hair really needs repairing, so I'm really excited to try this. And then I got the Briogeo Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. So this you're supposed to massage on your scalp. It says that you can use it with shampoo, with a massage oil, or with a treatment to distribute it throughout your scalp and hair. So it looks like this. It has like little silicone brush heads right here. And so you're supposed to just rub your head with it while you're shampooing. And I get dandruff a lot, so I feel like this will be really nice. You just like hold it in your hand like this. It's very comfortable to hold. So I'm excited to try this out. And then I got this Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss. I got mine in the shade Dirty Chai. That's just the color I think I like the most. So these smell, it's not like overpowering smell, but very faintly of coffee. It's so nice. Just like smell that early in the morning. It's great. I'm really excited to try that. And then I ended up getting the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. Got mine in the shade 1 because I'm super pale. And it is quite yellow. They don't have a very good shade range in these, but I'm excited to try it anyways. I've heard a lot of people raving about this, so I want to see if I like it or not. And then another concealer I also got was the Josie Maran Vibrancy Concealer. I got mine in the shade Fair because again, I'm pale. And the bottle's really pretty, I like that. Heard a lot of people like this as well, so I'm excited to try this one. Next, I got the Drunk Elephant Shaba Complex Eye Serum. So this is their newer eye product. They have the vitamin C eye cream, but I decided to pick up this one. I feel like it had better reviews, so I wanted to try this out. And then I also got the Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick. This I have tried samples of from Sephora, just on those little foundation cards, and I really like it. It performs really nicely on my skin, and I feel like this color is the exact shade of my skin. They have a really nice shade range, so I really like this, and I'm excited to have the full size. And then I got the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I have heard a lot of people liking this, so I really had to try it. It looks really pretty on people's skin, so I'm excited to try that one as well. And then, lastly, the big kahuna, the Natasha Denona Lila palette. So, I got this. They just restocked the Sunset palette, and I feel like the Lila palette is more what I want, I guess. The Sunset palette looks a lot like the ColourPop Yes Please palette, and I would have that. So I don't have any colors like this, so I thought I would get this one instead. And it looks like this. So pretty. And ooh, I'm just so excited to use it. I think I'll swatch some. So I'm gonna swatch this one, this one, this one, and this duochrome shade. Let's try these out. Okay, so here's the first shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Here is the matte. Ooh, that's so creamy and soft. Here is the purple metallic. That is so nice. And then here is this duochrome shade. Ooh, I love those so much. Okay, so I'm super excited about this. These feel a lot nicer than even the mini, so I really want to try them. So I think I'll try some of these in like a first impressions kind of video, just to try them out on camera with you guys. And I think I'll definitely try this out in a first impressions. This looks really exciting. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm excited to see how they perform on the eyes. And yeah, so I look forward to trying all those products on camera with you guys. Let me know what you picked up from this sale, if you picked up anything, if you are waiting to pick stuff up because the sale doesn't end until the 3rd. You can use your code online once and then in store as many times as you want. So let me know what you pick up and what you're liking of the things that you picked up. Or if you're just skipping out on the sale altogether and waiting for the actual VIB sale that's coming in November, let me know, and I will see you in my next video.